What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Rejoice Ndemande. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family, you guys. So today's video is a natural hair video. I will be achieving this look, which is the high puff sleek bun tutorial. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I do have type 4A and B hair, so my hair texture varies, but I am a fully natural hair. And I've heard some comments, guys. I am actually not American, I am purely African. So I just thought of leaving this out here because I know it gets a bit confusing because my previous videos, all the curls and the Aunt Jackie's, and Aunt Jackie's an international brand, but just know I am 100% purely African. I might have like maybe native American genes, but I wouldn't know. I mean, I wouldn't know, but I am African. I am South African as well, so I am purely African. So I thought of leaving that out there. Hope you guys will enjoy this video, and let us dive right into it. So before starting with this hairstyle, I did wash my hair. So what I'm going to do first is I will section my hair into a small part in the middle. This allows me to measure how low or how high I want my bun to be. I will be sectioning my hair with my fingers and my hands, as this is a much quicker process to do. However, you can use a comb if you are comfortable with that. So I chose to use my fingers because this is a quick way to actually achieve this hairstyle, but at the same time, for aesthetic purposes and being neat, you can also use a comb. I was just rushing through it and still achieved the best results, whether or not I used a comb to open the lines. I then am going to part my remaining hair into two halves and then tie it so it's not in the way when I want to apply my gel, and also detangle my hair a bit before I tie it up. I am using Aunt Jackie's flaxseed elongating curling gel, which is also called Don't Shrink, for this hairstyle. So I will apply it onto the section part of my hair and apply a generous amount that is sufficient for this section. I then comb it out and make sure all my strands are straight enough for me to tie. So I'm just going to repeat the same process I did with the first section part of the hair, and I'm going to do this 2 more times and apply the gel, detangle it with the comb, and then tie it up. For this part, I will tie the front side of my hair first, then follow with the back, because the front side is where you want it to be the most sleek and the most laid down as possible. So I'm going to tie it once and then tie the back as well. I think one of the greatest key tools in natural hair and just hair in general is that you can use any product of your choice as long as the product suits your hair and your hair understands the product. And this all goes with also the accessories that you use, the types of combs, the brushes, the types of gels you use. If your hair loves that type of product, that type of comb, then use it for you, because what I use and what you use might not be the same for our hair types, and your hair might like brushes and my hair might like combs. But as long as you can achieve a result that you're very best confident and comfortable in, then that's all that matters. So I am going in with an elastic band on my high puff, and I'm just going to put it right above my scrunchie that I put there. And this is actually to enhance your puff. It actually makes it a bit more enhanced, for the lack of a better word. So yeah, you can do this so that it's not really completely flat on your sleek hair, so it kind of elevates it a bit. I don't know if it's me, but I always get one side of my edges right and the other side just does not cooperate at all. No matter how much I try, no matter what brush or what comb I use, the exact same method I did, it will just, I don't know, it just feels like it just won't really look the same as the first side. I always struggle with this, so I don't know if I'm just the only one, but I always have to struggle so much with just one side, and the other side is just one go and you're done. The edges are on point, they're perfect. But hey, I guess that's just how it is. Lastly, I will go over with my Blasting Freeze hairspray by Got2b and just spray it all over my hair to make sure my hair is laid down and sleeked down. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video somewhat helpful and informative, and I hope that you too can learn to understand and love your hair better. I too am on a journey of discovery, of learning and understanding my hair more and more each day. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave a like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.